Holy crap. This is sick. This is the Mustang. This is where my car was made, guys. What is that? Wow, convertible.
You don't realize it. Your car's up there. Hanging. Yeah. So when you're down here, you're seeing the other cars coming down.
Holy crap. That is crazy. And like they dip them with everything. But I was told like with Shelby cars, they do it like in a different like way. Like with the painting and everything. The way they do like paint stuff.
Some of them, not all of them.
That's freaking crazy,
Oh.
yo.
Oh, sorry.
And everything.
It's pretty cool.
Hell yeah.
These lights?
Yeah. I'll take some brand new taillights. Dude, this is sick. This is freaking awesome. This is the Mustang Plant, guys, in Flat Rock, Michigan. Dude, this is insane. Like, you see this? This is where it all started. Damn. So many Mustangs. Is that a dark horse? I can't even tell. I can't tell what kind of trim it is, what body it is. You can't even tell anything. You got cars up there too. Oh my god. Yo, this is crazy, dude. This is freaking crazy. Oh my god. Right. It probably will be packed. This is insane. Body color. Blue umber?
Yeah.
Blue umber. Oh, is that oil slick? Really? Interesting. Brake pedals. Dude, look at that red. Freshly paint. Oh, look at this. Look at yellow splash. I think yellow splash. Look at that yellow. That's how my car looked. Man, I need the... I wish I had the black... Literally. Black fin. Wish I had a black roof on my car. Dude, freaking sick. That is the windshield washer reservoir. This is so freaking sick.
Outside. Looks like we're going into a different state. Like it's dark right now. It's not light outside. It's like this performance one. So
Yeah. All the ones that are. This is basically off the GT500.
It looks just like a GT500. They're regular.
Yeah, you got the 2-disc right here, and then the 4-piston right here. I don't think these are painted. Yeah, these are not painted.
These are the silver ones and the painted. The painted ones are there too. See them? Look, these are painted.
Oh, are they?
Depends
Is
on
it
which
covered?
This is the performance package, and then this is
Yeah.
the fucking extra special ones. Because look at that. See? So this is like a regular, and this is the dark horse.
Gotcha.
Joey,
That makes more sense.
GT500. What are those? The dark horse, the painted ones. I think it's all options. Whatever the car checks off.
Subframe. Damn, dude. Look at that. That's crazy. Holy crap. Look at all these Mustangs. All these freaking Mustangs. There we go again. Got a yellow Mustang.
Nice How's that right-hand drive? That's right-hand drive.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, no crap.
Isn't that crazy?
It's going to, probably going, overseas. Holy crap. Right-hand drive Mustang. Right-hand drive Mustang. Oh, it's a dark horse. Huh, Jeff? It's a dark horse.
It is a dark horse?
Yeah, because look at the front end.
Oh, and the spoiler maybe?
Yeah, spoiler too.
I can't tell them no more, dude. I don't know the fucking difference.
You know how I can tell? It's because
It's got the grates on there?
Yeah, it's got that, the gray piece.
Joey, Mo said it's a dark horse. We're right.
Yeah, and then look at the, look, yeah, the front bumper in general. And generally speaking. Freaking dark horse.
So that car's being shipped.
Overseas, yeah. I think they just started offering dark horse in like Europe.
Dude, that's gotta be really anyway.
Yeah, probably. They're all left-hand drive, yeah. All these cars. That's an EcoBoost.
So weird,
I think my sister
Right?
is obsessed with you.
What?
Oh my god, you know this guy? He's all over with a school.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Oh no.
You got a girlfriend?
Huh?
How old are you, Mo?
I'm 27.
Oh, dude. How old is Olivia? 22.
Oh,
I need a good fucking man for her. Freaking picks all these idiots.
Alright guys, we're gonna check out the finished cars here on the production line. Check that out. We got a seat. Look at that. Seat sitting right there.
Unless you want to keep going.
We can go. I mean, you guys want to keep going? Might as well. I mean, at the end of the day, it's content, dude. Right. Look at all these finished Mustangs. These are all going up. Yo, look at the wheels on that dark horse.
Hey, these are all nice ones.
That's, you know, those
Because
are Mach 1 wheels.
Yes, but these wheels are on there because they don't have them in yet. So instead of stopping, I asked that question when I was here.
Yeah.
So these are painted wheels. These are just test wheels. The wheels will be put on when the car is done because they don't have them in stock.
Gotcha. Wow. So those are test wheels. They're not actually production wheels. They look good though. Those Mach 1 wheels look amazing. Got more GT. Yeah. That looks good though. That's a nice trim.
That's a 5-liter with the fucking. This is like a top of the line.
Yeah, it's a fully loaded car. GT Premium.
It's one step.
Because only the GT Premium has the cars
I was
now.
gonna say GT Premium is one step below the GT Dark Horse.
Yeah, oh yeah,
Right?
correct.
Right?
Correct.
That's significant.
Yeah. Okay, honestly, those wheels look amazing on that.
Yeah, beautiful.
Yeah.
Well, that's because, again,
Dude, why can they not make it like this?
I like how they straighten the wheels.
Oh my god. That's literally Joey's color. You know, Joey DeSantis literally ordered that car and didn't take delivery of it.
Oh, really?
This is the one, basically, the one with Recaro's on. Yeah. And it looks sick as fuck with those Mach 1 wheels, or whatever the hell. No, I don't know what that is.
That wheel.
Yeah, the deep dish, yeah. I wish they still made it.
Joey, which wheel is that one on the back? What kind of car is that? Because that kind of looks like the KR wheel.
It does. It looks like your wheel. Look at that wheel. What do you guys think this is? Comment down below. No idea. It's crazy. so cool. Hey Jeff, you can see it right here. It's crazy. Holy crap. Wow, dude, that's crazy. Taylor, they got the pony right here. Dude, that's so cool. Those are robots working over there right now. It's freaking awesome. Dude, there's so much. There is so much. Look at this Mustang GT right here. I think it's a GT. It's a body. It's dark horse. Scrap. You see, it's literally says scrap right on it, on the side. So that's getting scrapped, yeah. Sheet metal getting scrapped.
Isn't that crazy?
Yeah.
All three of them go freaking race car. I'm not gonna
The convertible shit. Yeah, I wouldn't mess with it. So many parts. All pieces of metal. Repair cars only. Check this out. This one says race car on it.
They said it Chris Holbrook. Hey, you got a new race car coming? You know about it?